On today's episode, we're making a 5-foot smiley face sunflower rug. The color theme being earth colors, mostly on the beige family, but using a tufting gun all the way from scratch here at Mswahili. Hi guys, my name is Mswahili. I make custom rugs. As you can see here today, guys, we did this amazing project, which I'm sure you have seen this design online. Najua mumeona na mkaona, but today here at Mswahili Carpets, guys, we are doing it all the way from scratch. And when I say we, I mean my students and I, which is why I want to say, guys, if you're interested in wanting to learn how to make such wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, your studio, doing it for yourself as a skill, I got you covered, because I have tufting classes for you. And also, if you're interested in also making a customized rug for yourself, your theme room, yada, guys, I got you covered, because I can make a custom rug for you. As long as you know your design and what you want, guys, I got you. Now, on talking about this design, guys, this design is literally a story to be told. This work has been in the production for months. Yes, for months. And all said and said, I'd want to say all the physical things that made it take months. However, most of it was basically fear. Okay, it felt like it was too big for me, too big of a project. It felt too complex, but with time I have learned to face my fears and question my demons, and which is why every day we end up doing a project that I, in my opinion, before nione mtu hapa amenikujia hapa kiniambia sijui nini, in my opinion, mine only, in my opinion, these have been some of the hardest projects, because they've been hard in my head, but when doing it, they've actually not been so hard, and it has been actually wonderful projects to work on. So guys, if you're also interested in doing such things and also interested in wanting to learn all this, I have tufting classes, okay? And other than that, I also have a YouTube channel, which mnanikasirishanga jua mwenange kuwatch na ninashanganga mbona hamtakani kunisupport on YouTube, ama mtaki YouTube inilipe nipate kichele. Y'all don't want that for me. So other than that, guys, yes, you see how it's coming along. Yeah, sometimes you just have to sit there and look at it and feel like, is it really coming as I want? If yes, you continue. If not, you leave it. You stop, take a break, take some air, easy peasy. Say it with me, life as a bee. Now guys, if you like this video or this content today, please give it a thumbs up, like it, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, my classes, and my YouTube channel from now on, okay? Yes, now support this, and also let me let you enjoy the rest of this. But for those others of us who always wonder, like, is this all really what goes on into making rugs? I am here to tell you that there's a lot more that goes on in the background or behind the scenes than us tufters do let you know. Places that are not pleasing to show, such as gluing, drawing, and getting all the measurements correct before starting a project. We are also part where sometimes we get frustrated where a specific yarn is not there. Like you see that gold in the middle, the color I'm doing right now. Well, where it reached, imagine it's not in the neighborhood. It's not. I even had to go to the nearest town, mini town, okay, and look for it, and it still wasn't there. I mean, oh my god. But like, yeah, so such things normally choose not to share with you, but for today's video, I'm just sharing to that person who's normally wondering, like, they want to get a clue of what really goes on into tufting. Yes, but guys, if you find this video amazing, please, I am on YouTube, please give it a thumbs up, head on there at Mswahili Carpet, and you know what, guys, we have a closed membership and a Discord channel. I do not know what that means, but Chenajua, it means like there's a small channel on YouTube where there's a membership, okay? In that membership, you get to see the videos earlier than most people. You get in behind the scenes, and you get to have Q&As in me, a personal one-on-one when in such projects. If in case you have a question on how something was done, or like how to tackle something, if you're in the same industry as moi, guys, feel free to follow me on YouTube. And yeah, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, and stay tuned.
Mswahili. Then have
You agree. You it's strange.
the guy only brought one glue.
So this is the one I ordered. What's up?
Si ndo nasema you had ordered for just 1 gallon of glue.
This is the biggest. This is 5 liters.
Okay.
Not a 1 liter. So.
Calm down.
Nashangaa ni mimi unaniuliza maswali ya uboshi. Yangu ni bado. Sije kawa naonyesha vitu.
Remind me, this is how much again?
This is 15,900.